Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda HR-V versus the Nissan Kicks. We will explore their key differences to help you decide which subcompact SUV is better for your needs. We'll look at performance, interior features, and overall value. Let's dive into the details to see how these two popular vehicles stack up against each other, providing you with a clear comparison. When it comes to performance, the Honda HR-V provides 158 horsepower, slightly more than the Nissan Kicks' 141 horsepower. However, the Kicks often boasts better fuel economy, with front-wheel drive models achieving up to 31 combined miles per gallon, compared to the HR-V's 28 combined miles per gallon. Both vehicles utilize a continuously variable transmission, and all-wheel drive is an available option for enhanced traction. Inside, the Nissan Kicks generally offers more front head and legroom, making it feel quite spacious. For cargo, the HR-V provides up to 55.1 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, while the Kicks can expand to 60 cubic feet in front-wheel drive models. Both SUVs come equipped with modern infotainment systems, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Considering value, the Nissan Kicks typically has a lower starting price, often around $21,830, making it a budget-friendly option. The Honda HR-V starts closer to $26,850, but boasts higher resale value and superior safety ratings. Your best choice depends on whether you prioritize initial cost savings and maximum cargo space, or a slightly more powerful engine and better long-term value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.